In a Millikan oil drop experiment, a particular oil drop weighs 2.4 10 power minus 14. It is gravitational force or the weight of a oil drop 2.4 times 10 to the power minus 14 Newton. Since it is minus 14, the drop must be very small, tiny. The parallel plates separated by a distance. So the distance between the plate 1.2 centimeter, change it into meter. When the potential difference between the plates, potential difference delta V is equal to 450 volt. The drop is suspended. How the drop is suspended? Suspended means it is like floating in between the two plates. It is because the downward force is called the weight of the droplet and the upward force is the electrical force and then applied by the scientist Millikan. Here he is applying 450 voltage and it is acting upwards and the gravity is pulling the droplets downwards. When these two forces are equal, it is suspended. What is the net charge on the oil drop? So we are going to find Q. Okay, first step. We know that as the oil drop is suspended, the downward force is equal to upward force. Electrical force is equal to the gravitational force. Okay, what is the electrical force formula? Q times E. You can substitute in this place. Also, electric field formula is equal to delta V, potential difference, divided by the distance. So, we are going to substitute this all in this equation number 1. Fg is equal to Fe. Fe is Q times E. The next step, Q, E is delta V over D. Okay. Now we are going to find the charge Q. So the denominator, take it to the other side. It becomes a numerator. And the numerator, take it to the other side. It becomes denominator is equal to what is remaining? Q. Okay. Fg, the force of gravity, that is the weight of the oil drop, is here 2.4 times 10 to the power minus 14 times D 0.012 divided by delta V 450. So Q is equal to 6.4 times 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb is the charge. We found it. It's number A. And number B, we are going to find if the upper plate is positive, how many excess electrons are on the oil drop? Okay, now we are going to find number of electrons on the drop. So there is a formula, number of electrons is equal to charge over total charge over electron charge, 1 electron charge. So what is the total charge here? 6.410 to the power minus 19. What is the electron charge? 1.6 times 10 to the power minus 19. If you divide, you will get 4. So 4 electrons are here. As we know, the oil drop, the weight of oil drop is very small.